Do you want to replace your full-time job with a side hustle that brings in serious money? It's more possible than you think. With the right skills, strategy, and dedication, your side hustle could soon become your primary income source. In today's video, we'll explore the top 8 side hustles that not only have the potential to replace your full-time income, but can also give you the freedom to work on your own terms. Whether you're looking to tap into your existing skills or explore new opportunities, these side hustles are growing fast in 2026 and offer incredible earning potential. Let's dive in to learn how you can start making money with these in-demand options today. 1. Freelance web development and design. Web development and design are two of the most lucrative side hustles, especially if you have a technical background. The demand for developers who can code and design websites is huge. Learning languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or using website builders like WordPress and Shopify can land you high-paying projects quickly. Many freelance web developers charge from $30 to $100 plus per hour, and some web design businesses report earnings of up to $100,000 per month. With the rise of user-friendly tools like WordPress, you don't have to be a seasoned developer to start. Once you gain experience, you can scale your business by working on larger projects and taking on more clients. Additionally, the flexibility of remote work allows you to work on your own schedule, which makes this side hustle even more appealing. 2. Business, marketing, or finance consulting. If you have industry experience in business, marketing, or finance, consulting is an excellent way to replace your full-time income. Many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for specialized advice that can help them improve their operations, marketing strategies, or financial management. By leveraging your expertise, you can charge clients $75 to $200 per hour depending on your niche and experience level. Consulting offers several benefits, including high-paying clients and the flexibility to choose how much work you want to take on. It also allows you to be selective about the industries or companies you want to work with. Whether it's helping small businesses streamline their processes or advising entrepreneurs on marketing tactics, the opportunities are endless. What makes consulting so profitable is that you're selling your expertise, and high-level consulting work can quickly scale into a full-time income replacement. Plus, if you specialize in a niche area, like financial planning for small businesses or digital marketing for startups, you can easily build a solid client base that keeps your income steady and growing. 3. Online tutoring and course creation. Online education is booming, and it's a great way to turn your knowledge into income. You can tutor students online through platforms like Wizant or Preply, earning $50 to $120 per hour. Alternatively, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, generating passive income. Once you create a course, it can continue to sell without much ongoing effort. The online education market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, and creating high-quality, valuable content is the key to success. The best part is that once your course is set up, it can be marketed to a global audience, bringing in revenue while you sleep. 4. High-ticket freelance writing and copywriting. Freelance writing can be a highly profitable side hustle, especially if you move beyond basic blog posts to specialized fields like technical writing, medical copywriting, or sales copy. While most beginner freelance writers may earn between $25 to $50 per hour, those specializing in high-demand industries can charge $100 to $150 plus per hour. With consistent work, it's possible to earn $3,000 to $10,000 plus per month just from freelance writing. The key to making a full-time income from freelance writing is to specialize. For instance, technical writers who understand complex subjects or copywriters skilled in writing persuasive ad copy can demand top dollar for their work. Many businesses are willing to pay a premium for writers who can help them communicate effectively to their target audiences, convert leads, and ultimately drive sales. One of the biggest advantages of freelance writing is that it's a skill that can be learned relatively quickly. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can start building your portfolio and find clients almost immediately. As you gain more experience and refine your skills, you'll be able to charge higher rates and work with bigger, more lucrative clients. 5. Social media management and digital marketing. Social media management and digital marketing are essential for small businesses, and this is a great side hustle if you have marketing experience. Many businesses outsource their social media management to freelancers who can create engaging content, run ads, and help them grow their online presence. Social media managers typically charge $20 to $50 per hour, and digital marketing experts can earn even higher rates. By offering these services, you can build long-term relationships with clients, providing consistent monthly income. Social media management also allows you to work remotely, giving you flexibility. As businesses continue to invest in online marketing, this side hustle is only going to grow, creating more opportunities for freelancers to cash in. 6. E-commerce via dropshipping or print-on-demand, POD. If you're looking to run an e-commerce business without the need to handle inventory, dropshipping and print-on-demand, POD, are two excellent options. Both models allow you to sell products online without upfront investment in inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf once a sale is made. Dropshipping and POD are especially appealing for those who want to start an online store without the hassle of managing stock or shipping. Many successful dropshippers make $3,000 to $10,000 plus per month once they scale their business. By focusing on trending products, marketing effectively through ads, and choosing the right niche, it's possible to build a profitable e-commerce business with minimal upfront costs. With platforms like Shopify and Printful, you can create an online store, select products to sell, and start marketing to customers worldwide. The key to success in this business is to find a niche market and offer products that solve specific problems or cater to unique customer needs. By doing so, you'll be able to build a sustainable income stream that grows over time. 7. Faceless YouTube channel. Running a faceless YouTube channel is an excellent way to make money online without showing your face. You can create content based on a specific niche or interest, such as tech reviews, motivational videos, or educational content. By using stock footage, voiceovers, and AI tools, you can build an engaging channel that attracts viewers without needing to appear on camera. This side hustle can bring in significant revenue through ad monetization, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The best part is that you can automate most of the content creation process once you set it up, and your videos will continue to generate income over time. Whether you're interested in gaming, tech tutorials, or personal finance, a faceless YouTube channel offers a flexible and profitable way to earn money from home. 8. User-generated content, UGC, creator. With brands shifting their advertising budgets toward more authentic, relatable content, user-generated content, UGC, has become a highly profitable side hustle. UGC creators are paid to create content, photos, videos, or social media posts for brands to share on their channels. The best part? You don't need a massive following to get started, just creativity and an eye for engaging content. UGC creators typically earn $150 to $600 per video or post, depending on the brand and the complexity of the content. What makes this side hustle appealing is that brands are increasingly looking for everyday people to represent their products rather than relying on influencers with millions of followers. If you can create authentic content that resonates with audiences, you can land deals with brands across a variety of industries. The key to success in UGC is understanding what kind of content brands are looking for and aligning with their messaging. Once you start building a portfolio, you can approach brands directly or sign up for UGC platforms that connect creators with brands. There you have it. These 8 side hustles offer the potential to replace your full-time income in 2026. Whether you're interested in tech, marketing, or creative services, these opportunities provide the flexibility to work from anywhere and the chance to earn a significant income. With dedication and the right strategy, you can transform one of these side hustles into a full-time business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to build a successful side hustle. Let us know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.